alaikum wonderful viewers. We are from showing you before the operation at this end. So we're going to use this side and show you before the operation too and after the operation. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, share and comment the video. And please let's go together and show you the place before the operation.
Yes. So you don't pick up your cameraman, lucky child behind the camera, and Abaji, the king, the master of nice Gambia, the prince of Africa, Pabaji, the number one cameraman, cyber camera, everybody and every viewer and every subscriber. So this is nice Gambia, Greater Gambia, Fatima. Wow, no, jerejef. Borom baax nga nag. Look at the sky, how beautiful it is. Yeah, boy. We are in Bakau. So I think they will demolish all this place because I think they will give them 24 hours to pack up.
Yeah, mostly they give them 24 hours to park up. Like if there have been a lot of stops, if you want to park immediately.
No, lalo mala.
So
Jelo
we're
mala.
gonna
Hay. Boy, banyi ta kan boy strict on. Kom na ba kiri? No mo ngi complain di. Ang yes strict bi yow. Camera lalo da nga complain. Look how beautiful the sky is. The sky.
very beautiful. Just look.
Beautiful as well. So it's all about nice Gambia, as Fatima said. We are walking around the place. They already demolished. So I think here is already good. There's only one place they touch here. Only here. Yeah. So I think it's okay. That's fine.
These are attachments
The attachment on the wall.
on the wall, yeah.
Yeah.
So they have to cut it short.
Shut it. Shut me. Mm-hmm.
They tell the man to cut everything.
This one is against us. Reflect back here. So I think this car park will be. Is it okay there, Fatima? What do you think?
No, it's not okay there.
It's,
My own observation, it's not okay there.
it's not okay there.
But there's a fence between us.
Between the
Yeah, but the little road they leave for people to pass is too small.
small. That's the Fajara.
Yeah.
We are in Bakau right now, walking ahead from Kachkali, around Cape Point, walking to Fajara Barras
Yeah.
and Tropic Hotel. The Tropic Garden Hotel, you got a lot of hotels around Bakau, so close to the Atlantic Ocean, you can see this sea
It's an
view.
industrial place.
Yeah, Bakau.
Yeah.
And it's a history.
Place too.
Yeah. Sate Merim Balem, you know. Tarik Satelem, Tarik Satelem. You know Tariko?
Yeah.
History. History or story? Tariko.
It's all museum.
It's all the same.
Yeah, history and story.
Okay.
Tell us your history. Tell
The
us your story.
story,
It's
okay.
all in the same category.
Oh, the same category.
See? They mark these things and this.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
sign will show you that you have to move from
Every green mark here,
X.
X, Y, Z. It's not among, it's not part of. Oh, kilo de.
Hey,
Akan din nila de. Kahit kilo, akan din nila, masop na nila.
dami ang fence to.
Boli baye mano soto, banaduramba mansubo soto, ole ya timba jisache kono, banye video beli palado. You know, Lama Lama Hotel, the Lama Lama Night Club. No lama lama. Ibu kamu. Yeah,
Ito lagi niya
very famous. Fireman Balop. What's up the price? Ite mu jeju gunankol dia. Lu jeju gunankol bele bele. So jela ngami. So right now, Cape Point, that's the way down. Leads you to Cape Point, Westfield, Sitting Corner, find your way to Banjul, the capital city, and that's where now the tourist site. You see Kunta Kinte and Binta Ture. Kunta Kinte. This is a warrior. A warrior. Kunta Kinte and Abama.
I always feel happy when I see his
I
picture.
denani.
Definitely.
No more slavery.
Yeah.
We say no to slavery again.
He's a strong
Free the
man.
blacks. Blacks are fight and try a lot, work a lot. So the right and the freedom, the right and the freedom of our people, Africa, black, anywhere they are in the whole world. Right and the freedom of the black people around the group, around the world. Remember, still we are on Demolition team. So I decided and Fatima to show you around, So I think they mark all this place. I think they were around here, innit? Okay, let's go. I was telling you that this other side will not be. How do I know it? Do you know how I know it? Good.
I don't know how do you know it?
Yeah.
Tell me how do you know it?
Yeah, mastermind. Yeah, nice structures. Beautiful Gambia, green Gambia. Yeah, that's a restaurant. All those are restaurants. You want to give me water? Drink water, eh? So this is where we are coming from. So if you bend like this, you spoil yourself in the towns of Combo, right? Your Gambia, another princess Olem, another Bolem lucky child, another princess, another prince.
The Eye of Africa. Big up to Uncle Fajara.
Baraso Ferentin,
Wow.
Baraso, ne? Sojar Kunda, Sojarol Ba Kathrajane, but Ecomocola Biang, Nigerian, yeah.
ECOWAS.
Yes, ECOWAS. ECOWAS, the fire service in Bakau. Fire service. Sitting Nungu.
What this one? It's
Fire
a
service.
Yeah.
The fire service or police unit. Police unit. I'm from police already. They are all police. Do you recognize that girl? The one put on the.
I don't see what I do.
I want to drink. Fajara. Dapat kita pada buka tangan sahabat, dapat tangan sah. Petuang yang nyol. Madi badan.
Pare.
Wow. Jadi ya. Did.
Sarap na Korea. Serving you for over 30 years.
35 years.
Nice Gambia will serve you for over 100 years.
Yeah. It's Nice Gambia is like it's a revolution.
So this is the barracks for
Yeah. You see
And
the
no
e-commerce. You see the e-commerce.
So there's a school here too.
Fajara, yeah. Barras nursery school. There's the school there.
This one.
Yeah. This is the barras for the Gambia Armed Forces. You see, this is where the sister is. The oddly of money.
Ah, yeah.
This is where she used the Fatu Danzo.
Okay.
Yes, she might from Chol. Yeah, you from Tamanya Chepe.
Okay. Fajara.
The ECOWAS mission, can you support them here in the Gambia? So this is the ECOMOG, Senegalese, Nigerians.
Support of ECOWAS Commission
Yeah.
and European Union.
The AU. The AU.
I don't think the operation will change this place.
Nice.
Because all these places, there's no illegal shops here,
Mm-hmm.
no illegal structure.
Mm-hmm.
All what you see here is trees,
Green.
fresh air, green every part of it.
And after here
And
you
the
got
two
the hotels.
fences like, yeah. So maybe forward, but right now here, there's no illegal shops. So,
Kooku ñu ngi ko jàngal moto ci Lanas.
uh,
Lanas compagnie la xam na. I'm not massive, yeah. So still in within Bakau and Fajara. That's owned by one of our Gambian rig man. Let's go. Farmer, soon the demolition will done because soon they will restore that place. So that's the tropical garden. Nice Gambia passed through over here. We did a very powerful wonder video over here. So if you are new to the platform, you can follow our videos from yes to see Tropic Garden Hotel or any other video that you will see. So that's the local internet over there. Yeah. So that's the gate of the hotel Tropic Garden. Can you remember?
music.
Yeah, right now music playing on right. Still in Bakunkang. Welcome to American Corner, the Gambia, West Africa, Smiling Coast. So if you're American, you wanna be hideout, have things that anything, come here. You want to go back to America, you want American stops, you want to relax, anything. This we call it American style, innit? Call it American style with the American embassy over there, man. Sorry. So it's all about our nation, the Gambia. Just watch this beautiful creature. Everywhere
Green at the
is
both side of it.
great. And I love, white fences, It's mad. Green and white is mad, innit? Good. So this is where we're coming from. You can imagine the white and the green that we've been telling you. See how perfect it is. Beautiful, proper nice it is in the video. Come, Fatima, come. See how green and white it look like. So Gambia
It's
is
really mad.
amazing, man. Ni naman na Africa, Gambia na. Yeah, man. Gambian forces. Jang. Dugal fofu rek. Legi tay nga nekk coy. Awa, yes sir. Lo wono sir, lu la war rek wow. Amu dede.
Yes, sir.
Look at this beautiful creature. Look at this beautiful Gambia.
Gambia is very beautiful.
Beautiful and beautiful. The word beautiful itself.
It's really beautiful and peaceful. So this place are international, American.
Yeah. If you are an American, you want to repatriate to Africa and still you want your kids to learn. Whoa, welcome man, home. Yeah man.
It's good for you guys.
School. This is the
We
type
have
of
a
car
land
you
for
were
you
said,
guys.
Prado.
Yeah.
These are the type of cars that Maya busting up right. Woody Maya. Bicycle. Farmer.
Different flags here.
From different.
Nation, country, ECOWAS
Permanent mission. Who told you that ECOWAS? Are you in support of ECOWAS in Africa? Oh,
How will I say?
well, how will you say? Salute.
Support
Farmer,
and
hold
in
this.
support.
Give me the video bit right. Joma, I'm a towel for my salute. nation, Africa, you know. So anywhere I see African flag, and I love Africa, our nation, you know. See that? You see how the flags are arranged? This is the way African people have to be. No border, no border lines. We are all one.
Like
No, no border connection, no border checkpoint, no border military. Unity, no pay, no tax, and no lesser passing. One love, one heart, one Africa, one nation, one color, one unity, no black sacrifice, no white sacrifice. So it's all about operation clear the road. So we are showing you live in Bakau within Bakau and Fajara. So remember that we are no more in Bakau.
We are in Fajara right now.
Come on. Right. The show is yours. I'm just trying to join you. But remember, it's our nation. See how cool the colors are. Super nice. Come on, go ahead.
This is the worst I have been complaining yesterday. This is how the charger will do when I plug it.
We completed, huh?
Yeah, put
Have a
it so
look.
that.
Yeah, so farmer member, this is Africa, innit?
Yeah.
And then tell them to stay tuned and enjoy this strict video in
Of
Fajara.
course, they should always stay tuned to our videos. Both of them, either operation, normal videos, street videos. Stay tuned always to Nice Gambia. And please subscribe, like, comment, and share. As we always say, we'll give you the best. We will try our level best to give you the best. But make sure you like the video, share, and comment.
Yeah.
Anything you want to know about Nice Gambia or you want us to make a video for you guys, just comment in on the comment section.
And whoever wants to share his story.
Whoever want to share your story, just link on Nice Game. It will always be at your doorstep. So stay tuned, guys.
Is this place belong to Amidou Jah or Mohamed Jah?
Oh, I don't know exactly.
Residence Jah.
So I don't know which jar are they talking about.
The main Jah.
Which name jar? Q City
Mr.
or Jar?
Mr. Q City, Mr. Q Cell. Mr. Q City, the main man. Salute to him, pa. Gambian. No, those people, you see, Amidou Jah, you know, Mohamed Jah, you know, all this Basiri Joran. So stay tuned, man, with Nice Gambia. You see all those people, they will share their story with you guys. And it will be amazing, man. Trust it, believe it, take it, get it, and learn it from us, you know. Fi may relax kayam. Kiram mo ngi fale.
Yeah.
Gambia, boy.
You see how beautiful the place is. But what if the operation repeat them? Are they gonna touch this one?
This structure.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
That will be car.
Ka amna. No lañ de wax. You know, all this is the hotels is. So you know what I wanna take? I wanna take a very nice terminal. And a very nice terminal labo. Abayu once told me about this Jah resident. Amazing, yeah, it's nice.
And the place is so quiet.
Yeah, quite nice.
Wow.
This is one of the best building in the Gambia, boy.
Money is everything.
Yeah, money is the power. Money is power in it. Money is power, but don't use money to emphasize power. You emphasize power through money, you fall down one day.
Yeah, it won't last long.
No, but it's a power like, you know, support your people, build development, you know, everything straightforward.
Just say the little you have.
Yeah. So salute to all the rich people who are doing it just for the nation, for their heart, for the sake of the God Almighty, for the sake of they wish to do it. Innit? Yeah, man. So stay tuned with Nice Gambia. Very soon we will close the video. Catch up and get us in another day. Tomorrow, yeah, isn't it?
Yeah, sure.
So every dental relax one suit of on do ko kela, you know, video ba edit la kudol ba kela kugal ba kela.
Ozone spray.
Mm,
Dental apartments.
you know, these are residential apartment. Live life, live large. Ñoon gannaaw bi yëpp nga gis ni yëpp jéeg la boy moo dem
Yeah.
fola ñoom Sénégambia dem ba Kartong tànje yooyu noonu dem understand nga waaw ozone bi dafa connect ak géej bi both side Banjul bi ak Kartong
So we are in the
Allahu
middle, I can
akbar
see.
Allahu akbar Gambia
We are in the
Allah
middle of the gate. This side and the left hand side is all about.
this from there
Yeah,
from
this is the
Banjul
ozone and this is the river Gambia.
thank you Atlantic ozone
Yeah.
jëlal rek nga dem génn Atlanta léegi
Wow, baby guy.
wow nice Gambia free your mind Gambia you see
Yeah, enjoying.
Mhm.
This place is so quiet, no traffic, in fact.
no
Just look
push and
the way
pull
it is. Yeah. Not like they have a puzzle moromba. Apprenti Maya Majala. No.
it's a residential
It's a very cool
apartment
place.
residence. Nice, cool
You must have
place.
a land at Fajara.
Fajara?
Uh-huh.
Fajara nice, isn't it?
I love the way the place is. It's very quiet
Quiet.
and clean. I can see.
Yeah, quiet and clean, innit? Fresh and nice air.
No, disturb you. No push.
So you got simple restaurants in here. Lunch, you got your dinner here. Every day, no close. Nothing. Live inside, live life.
It's feel like you are even in your home.
Home.
Because they will serve you like
No, the moment you are in the Gambia, free your mind like home.
Yeah.
And know that anytime you are in Gambia, it's best. You are in your home. If you are not a Gambian, no, actually, I don't know what kind of shape is that. But it's a shape of a tree anyway, a fallen tree.
Okay.
Come here, you don't wear it.
Yeah.
I just say you do go jana, but exactly. Malum na ba nyata da anyway. Kodi.
Yeah, it's
Hey, well, hello, how are you all? You okay? Gis nga seen jikko ni lañ mel da nga leen dee waxal luñ la faale ñoom suñ la soolee they want to talk to you straightforward by force.
not going to be very white.
So farmer, can we catch up the video over here? Or we go to the end
let's
there?
move, yeah.
To the end.
See the beautiful. Because yeah, I enjoy walking around here. You know,
Because you are enjoying the sea breeze.
yeah. Fresh air is coming in.
From the sea, from the ocean. We have six.
No,
I think we have.
Gambia is blessed.
We have 7 ozones around the whole world, innit? But 6 of them are blocked with this plastic and then, So it's only remain with 2 ozones, the Amazon ozone, and then you got the Atlantic ozone right now. So, Akamdoko sign is just like all these big fishes, these nice fishes are in River Gambia, the Atlantic ozone, which is where's RSK? My people are your people, your people are your people. Maybe here will be the main
RSK.
office of the
Thank you to you guys.
for the hard work.
Mm-hmm. We
RSK the
appreciate.
Gambia. RSK. The main man will be Ijele Sulalning. Land Cruiser. After yini ngale am Prado. Same shape la. Prado mo lang ginamit.
Assalamu
Same
alaikum.
Prado. Eh, may ba bro? Project gise man. My cool yeah man. You good yeah? Pamange wonye ko man. Salute nala bro. Yeah. Mama definitely nale mo gana bright so that you can see
Beautiful stuff.
the beautiful structures
And
properly.
beautiful trees.
MRC member. MRC.
London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine in Fajara. Wellington.
MRC
Yeah.
International Hospital, which is owned by Brigade. You know Brigade? You know Brigade?
Who is Burke?
You don't know Brigade? according to, they said he's the richest man in the whole world. Richest man in the world.
It's cool.
They used to say brigade. But for me, the richest man in the whole world is Sultan, the king of Brunei. Yeah, for me.
No problem.
Mhm. Remember, if you don't know about Sultan, the king of Brunei, you can type it on YouTube. You'll know the king of Brunei. I think every leader or every kingship or every president or every leader should copy the way he is. Then every citizen will be free, every citizen will be cool, every citizen will be employed, and every citizen will be paid good. Yeah. Sultan, king of Brunei. Believe it.
This is a mirror one.
What seems like Miro pour security fii da nga agsi fii dafa nekk si néeg bu ndaw bi mu view na la gis na la so ñi mooy trafic ñi mooy light bi la alaaw nga duga bul duga so camera su fi nekkoon maak na yëpp xam nga American embassy nii la mel just like this and so close c'est fii sama xam naa ne fii Nigerian embassy somewhere here not far away I don't know anyway British my people this is not America my people yeah yes if it is nice Gambia farmer go and answer to your people you know
He wants to open the door before they will spray me inside.
before they spray you yeah it's all about nice Gambia greater Gambia kaka kita na sometimes traffic all go block people damn block the traffic kidi yeah you are part of greet the whole world man
This is Lucky Child, boy.
yes and who
And Alim Sanyang.
yeah big up man
Sanyang Enterprise.
yeah man
Yeah. So how far?
we're good man
Plumber speaking to you guys, man.
yeah forward always
Thank you, huh?
stay blessed yeah
Alright,
tell them to subscribe man
No problem.
yeah
Sorry.
big up good seeing you man my youth Aleo big up love is the answer that's natural love yeah man it's all about our nation you know unity
Yeah.
it's a plumber yeah and then also he get his own shop the name of the Sanyang Enterprise yeah he's doing his things by himself
Yeah.
age mate papaji la sumondo papaji the age mates waaye mun naa pa ñoom pa ñoo ko mag ñoom S boy ñoom boy Silva ñoom ñoo leen mag waaye xale Abraham la nga sula inspire abaji bàyyi ko rek si ñoom abaji la nekkoon kër ñoom abaji
Let's close
so we close the video here taxawal fii
No, close it.
taxawal fii moto yaa ngi ñëw bu ma benn moto mu laal la suñ princesse bi taxawal
Lucky.
yow waxal ak àdduna bi
Hindi nga na matawa ko.
no dañu romba dañoo gis ne maa ngi téye caméra focus
So we're gonna close the video for today. Guys. As you can see, we walk all the way from Bakau to Fajara here to show you before the operation and after the operation. So what I'm going to say is just please subscribe, like, videos, and keep on subscribing to our YouTube channel. Stay blessed with this. May God bless you all, our wonderful subscribers. We're gonna say thank you for you guys, our fans everywhere in the whole world. In fact, Nice Gambia is saying thank you to you all, but please always subscribe.
Nice Gambia, Lucky Child, aning Fatima, aning Apaji, aning Saibe, aning Dr. Ranks, aning Mul Mume Muyanko, but Nice Gambia team, to whoever subscribe, you are part of the team. So welcome if you are new to the team. Subscribe and remember that we are Nice Gambia working for the better, greater tomorrow in the nation. So expect more brand new videos are coming up and powerful videos that we record from 2-3 months ago. We are editing them. They are coming up with speed and power that will inspire you to step back in Africa. If you don't step back in Africa, invest in Africa, employ more African youth, create more job opportunities, create more, and comfortability in Africa, create more gardens, because we all know that agriculture is the backbone of Africa. So we say salute to you all, and then we said welcome to Africa, welcome to the Gambia. Anywhere you come from, in any other parts of Africa or any part of the world, you are welcome to Africa. But remember, when you are coming, pack up your problems, come up with peace, love, stability, comfortability, invest, so that the skills, knowledge in Africa, it will be ever remain. So when you're out there with your skills and knowledge, please come back, go with it. Employ the youth, share the knowledge. Even you go, the legacy will ever stay. For the Gambia of motherland, we start to work and pray. Red, white, blue, white, green. Bito ngo nying kanene na kadete. Papa, nkanuntiel. Forward always. Ngal salute.